Today we are making scotch egg. Very simple, very easy and delicious. And if this is your first time stepping by, welcome to this channel where I show you how to make simple homemade recipes. Yeah, very simple. And also make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. So let's get cooking. I'm going to be using only a few ingredients. So here I have 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 5 sausages, 6 eggs, salt, black pepper and cooking oil. I have 6 eggs as I've said. I'll be boiling 5 eggs. Then the 6th one I'm going to use to cut the scotch egg. Yeah. We are going to be boiling 5 eggs. You make sure that your egg is well cooked. You will boil it for around 10 minutes. If you prefer the yolk to be runny, you can leave it like that. But to me, I like my eggs well cooked. So what I'm looking for is hard-boiled egg. So boil your egg for 10 minutes. Now that my water has boiled, I'm going to add my eggs in the boiling water. So make sure not to drop your eggs because they will crack. So you drop them carefully. Cover and let this cook for about 10 minutes. As we wait for our eggs to boil, I'm going to be seasoning our breadcrumbs and also I'm going to be removing the sausage casing. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can add more if you wish. And also I'll be adding half a teaspoon of salt. Mix until well combined. My breadcrumbs are seasoned. My sausage are not frozen, so they are at room temperature, so that makes it easy for you to cut the egg. So now I'm going to remove the casing. So it is super easy. All you need to do is just tear the casing. So if you have kids, this is a very nice way of spending some time together because this is a very simple recipe. All you need is just a helping hand if you need one. Then I'm going to whisk. Done. It's been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to drain the water and then I'm going to pour in cold water so that the eggs can stop cooking. And also that helps to peel the egg. Add in the cold water. So it is super easy and fast once you put your eggs in cold water. As you can see, it is this easy. Voila. I will be using 1 sausage per egg, so you make sure to wet your hands so that it can be easier to work with the sausages. My hands are wet, so now I'm going to take 1 sausage and spread it on your hands and make it like a patty. You just flatten it out. So now I'm going to take my egg. Then I'm going to cover it with the sausage. As so. Anyway. So you fully wrap your egg with the sausage. So I've done one. So now I'm going to do the rest. So now it's time to cut the eggs. And this is the messy part. So you take your egg, cut it with the flour. You make sure it is fully coated. You shake off the excess flour. Dip it in the egg. And lastly, the breadcrumbs. So what I like to do is I like to squeeze in the breadcrumbs, and it is ready for frying. Move over to the stove top and place a pan on medium heat. Not medium high, not medium low, just medium. Then add in your cooking oil. Then we'll add in the eggs and make sure not to overcrowd. Isn't that fun? Add in cooking oil. So you pick your egg and put it in there. This will help you to drop in the oil. So it is that easy. And you make sure not to overcrowd. So what we are looking for is that golden brown color on the outside. So please check on your flames, and if it is too hot, reduce the heat to medium so that the coating won't burn. I'm loving the aroma right now. So you can also deep fry them. It will be much easier. So you drop them in a paper towel so that you can drain the excess oil. I usually make this for my family, and each time I make this Scotch egg, they are always gone just in a minute, just like that, boom, gone. So I hope you try this out for your friends or for your family, and the outcome is going to be amazing as mine. Trust me, it's going to be amazing. Oh my god, amazing. So I hope you all try out this recipe, and trust me, it's going to be yummy. It's really going to be yummy. So see you on my next episode. Bye. So I'm going to try this. I'm even blushing. This right here is the yummiest Scotch egg I've ever eaten.